Yes, sir. I can see your screen.
Bigger.
Are there any videos in the presentation, sir?
No, there is no video. No.
Okay. Okay, sir. So we'll wait for a little while and then we'll
No problem.
start
Yeah.
our work. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Professor Ahmad, shall we start with the introduction and other things and then allow the students to join in as they come? Is that
No
okay with
problem.
you?
Yeah. Yeah, we can start. So.
Okay. Uh, welcome all participants. Welcome to ITM University Baroda, ITM Baroda University International Lecture Series. And today we have with us Dr. Amir Ahmad, and he is with the College of Information Technology, UAE University in UAE. Dr. Amir Ahmad received his first PhD from IIT Delhi in nanotechnology. He also received his second PhD in the computer science from the University of Manchester, UK. He worked in DRDO India for 10 years as a scientist. He is currently an associate professor with the College of Information Technology, UAE University, Al Ain, UAE. His research areas include machine learning, data mining, nanotechnology. He has published more than 40 research papers in reputed research journals. He has successfully completed many research projects. He is currently working on research projects related to mother-child health and imbalanced data sets. A very warm welcome to you, sir, from ITM SLS Baroda University. And now I hand over the session to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Prasan, for this introduction. Okay, so good morning and good afternoon to all the students and all the participants. My name is Dr. Amir Ahmad, and I am from College of Information Technology, UAE University. This university is in UAE. Today, I will present my work on clustering algorithm for mixed data set. Well, there are different terms, probably you may not be aware of those terms, and these terms are very important in the field of data mining and machine learning. So I'm not very sure that how many of you have done the course in data mining, machine learning or related topics, but even if you have not done the course now, probably you will have to work on these technologies in future. As you will be aware of that development of AI related tools, machine learning tools and data mining tools, you will hear different words like data mining, machine learning, AI, data science, pattern recognition, but they have got similar algorithms. And one of the algorithm which is very important is a k-mean clustering algorithm. So there are different tasks in these areas, and one of the tasks is clustering. And for the clustering, there are different algorithms, and one of the most popular algorithm is k-mean clustering algorithm because of its efficiency. We will discuss about this point. And there are different kind of data sets available. We will also discuss about this point. So that's why there is a point about mixed numeric and categorical data set. So it's a very specific data set which you may find in different areas. And this presentation is about a type of clustering algorithm for this specific kind of data set. Okay, so this is the structure of this presentation. So first I will discuss about the basics of the clustering, and then k-mean clustering, the basic k-mean clustering algorithm, and then the proposed algorithm for k-mean clustering for mixed data set. I will present some of the results and the challenges in this area. What is clustering? So basically, clustering is a discovery process in data mining. It groups a set of data in a way that maximizes the similarity within cluster and it's minimize the similarity within cluster. That should not be maximized, and maximize the similarity between two different clusters. So a data set is given to you. For example, data set for the student. And now you want to find out the groups from the given data. There could be 2 groups and 3 groups. If you people have done a course in data mining, there are 2 terms